Today, we're going to test out the Gozney Roccbox, but first, let's unbox it and go over some key features. I've been wanting to buy this oven for a few years now, so I'm excited to test it out and share my experience with you. It comes in 3 different colors. I went with the Tom Gozney Signature Black Edition, but it comes in green and gray too. First, we have the included pizza peel, which feels pretty solid, and then we have the important manuals and a recipe book. They also include a 5-year warranty once you register your oven, which honestly was a huge selling point. Now let's get the included gas burner out, which connects to your standard 20-pound propane tank. This burner will allow the oven to reach up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for Neapolitan pizzas. Finally, the oven. It's certainly heavy at 44 pounds. The included strap does make it easier to move though. Let's touch on a few key features. They use 304 stainless steel restaurant grade construction and then wrapped it in a silicone jacket, which allows it to be safe to touch and family friendly. I really like the foldable legs to make it easy to store and transport. For example, a friend's beach house. To make amazing pizza, these ovens need to be very hot, which is why they use dense insulation between the outer and inner walls. Additionally, they use a 19mm or 3/4 inch stone. This will be key for that leopard spotting that you see on the bottom of the crust. Let's go ahead and install the burner according to the manual. The sticker is reminding you to actually read it. I know. Now, to install the burner. Insert the pins in the holes and twist. It is a little tight, but that's probably a good thing. If the pizza looks as good as the oven, I'm going to be impressed. Now for the first firing. The manual wants us to run it on low for 30 minutes. It's alive! Look at that flame. They actually have a patent on this. It's designed to send the flames reaching for the open door, which allows a perfect distance between the flame and the pizza. We'll leave it at the low setting for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, so now let's turn it on high. We should expect to see close to 950 degrees. I'm really happy that they included a temperature gauge. Side note, this portable table is perfect for this oven. Alright, I'm hungry. That's close enough. In the pizza goes for the first attempt. I was a little lazy and I used Aldi's pizza dough. Listen to that, you can hear it crackling. It cooks very fast, so be ready. You will need to rotate the pizza. Generally, I'll do a quarter turn each time. Pizza will take about 2 minutes to cook. It's alive! Almost done. And done. Let's eat. Take a look at that. For the very first attempt, I'm pretty satisfied. Also, shout out to Aldi's dough. It's incredible how easy this oven is to use and the results you get. Honestly, I can't recommend this enough if you're in the market for a pizza oven. I included all the links in the description below. If you thought this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.